The Hephthalites, Pashtun origins and influence. The Hephthalites, also known as the White Huns, Abdali or Ebodalo, are not of Turkic origin or any other external ethnicity. They are strongly rooted in Pashtun Afghan origin. This group is linked to the modern Pashtun Afghan Abdali-Durrani Ebodalo tribe. Etymological connections. The names Hephthalites, Ebodalo, and Abdali are derived from the Pashto language, emphasizing their Pashtun Afghan heritage. Their physical features, such as noses and long necks, were similar to those of the Pashtun tribes. The Hephthalites, often shrouded in mystery, were a powerful force in Central Asia. They emerged in the 5th century CE, leaving an indelible mark on the region. Known for their military prowess and distinct cultural practices, the Hephthalites, Abadalis, have long fascinated historians. Recent scholarship strongly suggests that these ancient warriors and the Pashtuns, an ethnic group primarily associated with present-day Afghanistan. This essay delves into the historical evidence, linguistic connections, and cultural parallels that support the Hephthalites' Pashtun origins. The Hephthalites, often referred to as the White Huns Abdalis, commanded a vast empire. This empire stretched from Central Asia to the borders of India, South Asia. Their origins and ethnic makeup have been the subject of much debate. However, a growing body of evidence points to deep connections with the Pashtuns' origin and other Pashtun tribes. They are strongly rooted in Pashtun Afghan origin. This group is linked to the modern Pashtun Afghan Abdali-Durrani Ebodalo tribe. This evidence is found in their names, titles, and cultural practices. These elements resonate strongly with Pashtun traditions and language. The Hephthalites' impact on the region was profound. They challenged the Sasanian Empire of Persia and left a lasting legacy on the development of art, architecture, and political structures in Central Asia. Understanding their Pashtun roots is crucial for comprehending the broader historical narrative of the region and the interconnectedness origin of the Pashtun people with this influential empire. The journey to uncover the Hephthalites' Pashtun heritage and origin is one of piecing together fragmented historical records, linguistic analysis, and cultural comparisons. By carefully examining these elements, we can shed light on a fascinating chapter of history and gain a deeper appreciation for the rich tapestry of Pashtun identity. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence supporting the Hephthalite-Pashtun connection lies in their name in Pashto language. Names, Hephthalite names and titles bear striking resemblances to words, names, and grammatical structures found in Pashto, the language of the Pashtuns. This linguistic link provides a strong foundation for understanding the ethno-linguistic background of this influential group. The names of Hephthalite rulers, nobles, and even common people often reveal a distinct Pashtun flavor. For instance, the name Hephthalites itself is believed to derive from the Pashto word Abdali, Haptal, Abdal, Odal, Atal, Odal, a prominent Pashtun tribe. This etymological connection suggests a shared lineage and a common linguistic heritage.
Further analysis of Hephthalite inscriptions and texts reveals numerous instances where words, names, and grammatical structures align closely with Pashto, reinforcing the notion of a deep-rooted connection. The prevalence of Pashto linguistic elements in the Hephthalite language suggests that Pashto, or a closely related language, was likely spoken widely within the empire. This linguistic connection provides a powerful tool for reconstructing the history of the Hephthalites and their interactions, origin with Pashtun Afghan in the region, offering valuable insights into the cultural exchange and assimilation that occurred within their vast domain. By carefully analyzing the linguistic echoes preserved in Hephthalite names, titles, and inscriptions, historians and linguists can piece together a more complete picture of the broader Pashtun origin. This linguistic evidence serves as a bridge connecting the past and the present, illuminating the enduring legacy of the Hephthalites and their Pashtun Afghan origin.
Delving deeper into the realm of names, we encounter figures like Akhshanor and Turamana, known as a swordsman, and Mehrakola from the family of the Sun, a prominent Hephthalite Pashtun's rulers. His name, when broken down, reveals fascinating linguistic insights. When the Hephthalites, Abdali Pashto, rose to power in 425 CE, their supreme king was Akhshanor, 460 CE. In Arabic sources, his name appears as Akhshanor, Akhshawan, and Kashnawaz. According to Christensen, the root of this word is related to Kashyon. Akshun finds its roots in the Pashto word Kashtari, Kasturiye, Akshan Kashan Kshan. The second part, war =1R AWR, means victorious in Pashto. Thus, Kasnur Kasonar Akashion Akshnawar all relate to the same root, meaning Kaswar or Kashtaria, the victorious, or Turkash, the victorious. Famous Hephthalite Abdali kings. Turamana, known as a swordsman, Tura, Hig swords, and Mana = manability. Merakola, from the family of the sun, Mir, Ulmar = son, and Kol = family or household or tribe. Additional explanations in Pashto literature. Kola in Vedic language means house or household, now referred to as Kahol, Kol, or Kala. This word appears in the poetry of Sheikh Reza and Sheikh Nazar Ludi as Kahala, and in the memoirs of Saints of Suleiman Makku, 1215 CE, as Kol. Pashtuns still use terms like Payand Kol, the family of Payand, and Mahmud Kol, the family of Muhammad Zai. Mer in Pashto is Mirmar, Lamar, and Nur. The Tarans of Lorlai still call Elmar son as Mir. Thus, Merakola = Mirkol = Dalamar, Kahol = the family of Lamar son. This name is common in Pashto, such as Mir Khan, Miro, Mira, feminine Mira, and the old Mirkol has become Mirgul. Other examples include Shagul, Shah Kahol, and Magul, Mahakahol. Place names. The Hephthalite capital in Zabul appears in coins as Jawali or Zawali, with kings like Turamana and his son Merakola being notable rulers in India around 500 CE. Sun worship. The name Merakola, family of the sun, and its variations reflect the Pashto connection to solar deities and honorific titles for kings, considered divine and godlike by their people. Structural and linguistic analysis. The combination of words in Hephthalite inscriptions follows Pashto grammatical rules, where adjectives precede substantives. For instance, Kudai Shah Zawuli Mirotsky illustrates this structure, aligning with Pashto syntax.
This example highlights the significance of understanding Pashto when attempting to decipher the meaning and context of Hephthalite names. These names weren't merely labels, but often carried deeper meanings, reflecting their cultural values, beliefs, and aspirations.
The linguistic analysis of Hephthalite names reveals a pattern, suggesting that these names were not arbitrary but followed specific grammatical rules and conventions found in Pashto. The names of the Hephthalites, like echoes from a distant past, carry whispers of their Pashtun heritage. By carefully listening to these linguistic whispers and deciphering their hidden meanings, we gain a deeper appreciation for the rich tapestry of their culture and their Pashtun origin. Each name becomes a piece of the puzzle, helping us to reconstruct the story of the Hephthalites Pashtun and their place in history. Summary. The Hephthalites, identified as the Abdali tribe, were Pashtuns who influenced the region significantly. Their names and titles have deep roots in the Pashto language and culture, indicating a strong and direct connection to the modern Pashtun people. This analysis provides a comprehensive understanding of their historical and linguistic background, reinforcing their Pashtun Afghan origin.